Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Fidelity to secure brokerage accounts with MFA, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the Fidelity website by entering the URL in your browser's address bar. On the home page, locate the Open an Account button and click on it. Choose Brokerage Account from the list of account types available. Fill in the required personal information, which includes your name, address, and date of birth. Provide your social security number for identity verification purposes. Next, you will need to enter your employment information, such as your employer's name and your occupation. Make sure to review the investment experience section and select appropriate options based on your background. After completing the personal information section, proceed to set up your login credentials. Choose a secure password that meets Fidelity's requirements for complexity. Select your preferred method for receiving a one-time passcode for Multi-Factor Authentication, or MFA. This could involve receiving a code via SMS, email, or using an authenticator app. Once you've selected and confirmed your MFA method, you will receive a verification code. Enter the code in the designated field to confirm your contact information. Review all the information you've provided to ensure accuracy. Read and agree to the terms and conditions presented by Fidelity. Submit your application by clicking on the Submit button. Wait for a confirmation email from Fidelity, which will include additional instructions. Follow any further steps outlined in the email to finalize your account registration. Once your account is fully set up, log into your Fidelity account using your new credentials. To enhance security, enable any additional security features available through your account settings. With your account secured and MFA set up, you are now ready to explore the investment options available through Fidelity. Remember to regularly monitor your account and keep your security information updated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.